What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going over Powerbridge Technologies Co. Ticker symbol is PBTS, and they're currently trading at 5 cents per share, as you can see over here on the right-hand side of your screen. I want to start off by saying that this is not financial advice. This is a paid promotion, but I am not a financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research before investing and only invest what you can afford to lose. But with that said, let's get right into this video. Like I said, they're trading at 5 cents per share. They are kind of downtrending over these past few weeks and past few months. They were as high as about 17, 18 cents per share back at the start of this year on January 31st, but since then they have been in that downtrend. They hit a low of 4.6 cents per share, but since then they kind of have had some action. They bounced all the way back up to almost 10 cents, and then since then have pulled back down to the current price of 5 cents per share. If you take a look over here, you can see this is their official website. Obviously, this is not in English, so I'm going to jump over here to MarketWatch to go over the company and give a little bit of an overview. You can see that they are engaged in SaaS solutions and blockchain applications. They provide technology solutions for the global trade industries, IoT platform services, as well as intelligent fixtures and devices for smart city operations, supply chain platforms, and social live streaming services for the retail industry, metaverse, and smart solutions for the travel and leisure industry, as well as crypto mining and digital asset operations. The company was founded by Ben B. Lohr and Sheng Lohr in 1997, and they are headquartered in Zhuhai, China. If we take a look at some recent news, you can see over here on Yahoo Finance, Powerbridge Technologies Co. Insider upped their holding by 764% earlier this year. If we take a look at this down here, you can see the biggest single purchase by an insider was when Chairman Sheng Lohr bought $2.5 million worth of shares at a price of 25 cents per share. So it's clear an insider wanted to buy even at a higher price than the current share price. At the time, the share price was 8 cents per share. It's very possible they regret the purchase, but it's more likely they are bullish about the company. If we take a look at the current price, you can see 5 cents per share. The insider bought at 25 cents per share, so obviously they are down pretty dramatically on that purchase, but that does show they have belief in their own company and they think that the price of the stock is undervalued even at 25 cents per share. You can also see Sheng Lohr purchased 39.33 million shares over the year. The average price of those shares was 12 cents per share, so not as bad of an average cost per share price basis. You can also see a little bit of a graphic down here as well, and that is kind of the most recent news with Powerbridge Technologies is this insider ownership of their own stock. Next, if we take a look over here on Fintel and take a look at the short interest, you can see on the right-hand side of your screen under FINRA short volume ratio in this column right here, all of these numbers are the percentage of the daily shares traded on a given day that are being sold short. So for example, you can see yesterday on May 30th, this data was published. 35.38% of all the shares traded yesterday were being sold short. That is a pretty high amount. You can see it went up to 42%, even as high as 55.5% on May 19th. I'd say right around average 40 to 45% of shares are being sold short every single day for PBTS stock. That's a huge amount of short interest. I mean, it's really not uncommon though when the stock price is 5 cents per share. You do get a lot of people shorting the price down. You can see that kind of reflected over here in this negative price action. But nonetheless, I think they are undervalued at this price. If we zoom out and get the bigger picture, you can see they have been downtrending for a long time now. Part of that is due to the overall market suffering and kind of being weak. But nonetheless, I think these small cap, low price penny stock, low float stocks are kind of getting hit the hardest. I think they will have some of the biggest turnarounds and bounce backs when the overall market does kind of recover as well. But nonetheless, guys, I would see if they hold this line at about 5 cents per share. Obviously, they could go down and retest this low of 4 cents. But I do think over the course of the long run, I think they are going to see some positive gains and head back up over 10, 15, 20 cents per share over a longer period of time. I do think if you want to accumulate shares, this could be the time to do it between this range of about 4 to 5 to 6 cents per share, right around here, like they have been trading these past few weeks. But with that said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.